This is how to install Google Play Store in your PC or laptop, so let's get into it. The first thing that you need to do is to simply open your any favorite browser, like I am using here the Chrome browser, and now search here for BlueStacks. And you will find a lot of the websites related to the BlueStacks search, but you need to simply open the first website here. Wait for opening this website, and at this home page you have to simply click on the download BlueStack option and wait for completing this download. After downloading, simply click to open it, and then this type of the pop-up will open for you. Simply click on the install now option and wait for completing this download. This downloading may take about couple of the minutes depending upon your internet connection. So you have to be patient and wait for completing this installation and downloading. And after completing this download, this interface will open for you. Here you have to just simply click on the Play Store, and right here you can easily access to your Play Store and then use it in your PC or laptop. So yes, this is how to install Google Play Store in your laptop or PC. So that's all for this video. I hope this video makes a sense for you. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.